Sunil Ramakrishnan. Here basically we are talking about the currencies object basically. Currencies part basically. In this basically we discuss that basically assume that basically myself Sunil R Nair is going to die tomorrow. Just taking as an example. So he told that basically 2 to 3 days before basically the data is basically already passed to that particular person basically in body basically that this person is going to die. So basically reason basically behind that the Vadodara doctor basically told that basically this blood cells basically is creating problem in the Vadodara blood cells here. So we have to remove that blood cells. So he told that okay basically, but if one person told that we can't repair that blood cells, then he told that no, we have to kill that blood cells only. So like this basically they killed that blood cells, and after 1 or 2 days basically Sunil Arna had died. So like this basically each and every death basically data are passed 2 3 days before inside that main blood cells, that is Vadodara blood cells. For example, in Mumbai city basically around 15 people are going to die from this area basically. So that Mumbai blood cells basically person basically is going to have the data of this 12 people basically going to die. That basically will be the death data, death blood cells. And reason basically the doctor told that basically this blood cells basically is going to affect, create problem in Mumbai. That's why basically we are killing these blood cells. Like this basically they kill that particular person basically. That they basically kill that particular person. So like this basically he told that basically in India basically total people, how many people are going to die, that is also listed basically. Then he told that yes basically. So like this basically he told that things are basically like that. Then one person told that basically in accident basically that is basically different thing basically. That basically connects to some other energy basically. Then he told that basically for example this area is going to finish. Assume that in Mumbai basically that area is going to finish. So that data basically has already sent to the blood cells of the Mumbai blood cells. That area basically is going to create, that data is already sent to the particular Mumbai blood cells. Then he told that basically this area is going to create, that is basically connected with the investment, right? That this person basically purchase that land, and from that country basically he's staying in that country. So from that country basically he sent the data that basically I have purchased this land. So just add the data basically inside that particular person body. So he added it, right? Then basically one area is going to finish from the Mumbai. So that data basically also basically was passed. So this all basically data is going to pass how basically? That all data basically is going to pass from power supply basically. So power supply basically, so each and every country basically pass the data of power supply, and they basically say that basically this area basically is creating problem to our blood cells. For example, one person told that basically in this area basically is creating vegetable. Just take very dangerous example it is. This area of area basically I'm taking with just example of assume that basically it's Mumbai area. From this Mumbai area the software company called CRM basically is generating one vegetables, that due to that vegetable lots of people got disease, and then basically lots of people died in Europe. So at last basically the European doctor basically they decided to finish that area. So they basically passed that physical area location and the blood cells information to that Mumbai blood cells area, to inside the Mumbai blood cells for that particular that is the basically the physical person basically. He passed it to the power supply. Mumbai basically tracked that, and Mumbai told that basically what is the reason behind basically this area basically they basically 2 3 days before they have passed. So whatever things basically is going to happen, that basically 2 3 days before basically times are basically there, so that basically meeting can be discussion basically happens. Then basically things basically are taken. It's not like that day or night basically things are basically taken. Then basically told that basically this many people basically are died due to this vegetable creation basically. Then we basically told that basically let me check basically whether it's connected to this area or basically something else basically. Then they told that basically because that area is also created from other countries material. The country basically are passing the power supply data to that particular area. So whether basically it might be problem from here in this area or basically some other basically. So they basically got 2-3 days to basically check this basically data. So like this basically they checked the data and they basically tracked that basically it was not Mumbai area. The Mumbai basically got some material of basically iron material from that country basically. That country basically who are basically passing the data na, there basically some area basically the problem was where there. Then they told that basically these all are the blood cells basically from on the base of the iron basically was created. So there basically they were basically creating problem. So like this basically they told that basically like this basically they repaired the data and like this basically and they immediately basically they scanned the data and then basically they generated the vegetable from that area energy. Then they basically checked and then basically they told that basically yeah that's fine basically now now basically the data basically which is generating that is basically not generating the as data basically it was generating, it has changed the data energy basically. So just see basically up to what level the things basically are connected. So like this you can just imagine basically like this basically people died basically going to die, that basically data is passed 2-3 days before, like each and everything basically are passed basically. So these all are basically what, these all are basically chaining system basically. These all are basically the chaining system. Vadodara blood cells basically was getting problem, so they basically killed Sunil R. Nair blood cells and they basically got information 2-3 days before that Sunil R. Nair is going to die. So like this basically they literally don't repair that data and they basically killed. Just taking as an example, in real basically this has not happened. So like this basically just see the chain basically. Just see the basically chain of the energy basically which is going to supply. And like this basically everything is already created basically. That is the main thing. That is the basically main thing. But here basically one person told that basically satellite keeps control. Yes, satellite keeps each and every control with them. So for example basically for Vadodara blood cell decided that this person basically is creating problem, so his blood cells basically was not repaired by the doctor. So satellite group basically told that basically let us basically try what actually the problem is. They repaired it and they basically stopped that death data basically which was going to pass from that person's body, and like this basically they repaired the data and like this basically that person basically was not died basically. Like these things also basically happens, like this also basically the things happen. So this is also basically one of the part of the currency basically, and this is basically very dangerous part actually. The reason each and every city doctors basically are there. Mumbai doctor, Mumbai blood cells doctor, Vadodara blood cells doctor, India blood cells doctor, New York blood cells doctor, USA blood cells doctor, London blood cells doctor, UK blood cells doctor, Italy blood cells doctor, South Africa blood cells doctor, Zimbabwe blood cells doctor, then Muscat blood cells doctor, Dubai blood cells doctor, UAE blood cells doctor, Gaza blood cells doctor, Israel blood cells doctor. Like this basically many blood cells are basically there. So they are basically connected like this. So in next video basically we are going to see little bit more about this currency part. Reason each and everything basically are connected into physical place, and physical place are basically connected to the currency directly. So in next video we are going to see little bit more about this